Young people are asking, what is the future of Zimbabwean business? Those eager to contribute to the gradual economic transformation need to understand how they can be a part of it. And the good news is, this March, Harare comes alive as Zimbabwe joins the rest of the world in commemorating the Global Money Week. With more than 4 events lined up, senior policymakers and industry leaders will engage in dialogue to encourage the youth to understand Zimbabwe's Transitional Stabilization Program. These events will help both business leaders and entrepreneurs to align their businesses to the national strategy. Follow the links on the screen and find out how you can be a part of it.